Welcome to the LKG class. Today we will learn World of Letters. Today I will teach you page number 21 and page number 22. It's letter S, J and U, D and P. Letter S, capital and small s are looking like a same. S for star, S for sun, S for socks, S for shoes. Here capital J is a combination of one standing line, one upward curve and one sleeping line. And small letter J is combination of one standing line, one slant curve and one dot. J for joker, J for jaguar, J for jam and J for jug. Here letter U is looking like upward curve and small u is looking like one upward and one standing line. U for up and U for umbrella. Here letter D is a combination of one standing and one backward curve, and small d is a combination of one forward curve and one standing line. Similarly, letter P is a combination of one standing and one backward curve, capital and small p looking like a same. P for a parrot, P for a peacock, P for a pen and P for pencil. Now phonic sound of the letter S is for stop, stop. S is the phonic sound of S. J is for juice, juice. J is the phonic sound of J. U is for up. Is the phonic sound of U. D is for daddy. Daddy. Phonic sound of the letter D is da. P is for papa play. P is the phonic sound of letter P. 21. S, J and U. Look at each picture and circle the letter it begins with. This is a picture of jug. This is a jug. Jug is begin with the letter J, so circle the letter J. This is a picture of a sun. Sun is starting with the letter S, so find the letter S and circle it. This is the image of socks. S for socks, so circle the letter S. This is an umbrella. U for umbrella, so find the letter U and circle it. This is a U, so we will circle. This is a bottle of jam. J for a jam, so circle the letter J. Practice writing the letters. U, letter U. Now move to the page number 22. It's D and P. Look at each picture and circle letter it's begin with. This is a parrot. P for a parrot. So find the letter P and circle it. I will circle the letter P. This is a pencil. So find the letter P for a pencil. This is a doll. D for a doll. So circle the letter D. This is a peacock. P for a peacock. So find the letter P and circle it. This is a duck. D for a duck. So find D and circle it. Practice writing letters D and P. Letter D is a combination of one backward and one standing line. Bye-bye.